Om Sri Ganganpate Namah. I pray Almighty God Ganesha, the Day Lord, Surdev, and ancestral lords too. I also pray my teachers, motivators, guides who have left no untold unturned to shower their blessings in the line of various branches of astrology, which is displayed here. By virtue of their blessings, I have acquired proficiency, education in PhD in medical astrology too. And currently, I'm undergoing course of face study. So with this has been this I could do only because of your motivations and adequate guide of my teacher. Thanks to all teachers associated with me, and welcome to the Varun Astro. I also welcome my viewers. So in numerology, we have already discussed earlier. We have been discussing rather that in numerology, numbers in single digit is taken into consideration. Zeros are ignored. Here I will the zeros are ignored, and if a word is the zeros, the date of birth is important in numerology. It is easy to learn, easy to use, easy to adopt. So numerology is very important nowadays. So because number plays vital role in our life, we rather breathe in numbers. Our life starts with numbers and ends in numbers. So I have already discussed earlier that this number 1 to 9 is used in single digit in numerology, and each number is ruled by a planet. So each number is ruled by a planet, and date of birth, which consists of date, month, and year, are important component of the numerology. In the date of birth, if it is in double digit, or date, month, year, if it is in more than one digit, all numbers available therein are come together in order to get it converted into single digit. So here itself, an example has been taken from the date of birth is 17/9/1950. So 17, it consists of 1 and 7, which becomes, when summed up, it becomes 8. Saturn is the planet. Then comes the date, month, and year. And when all the numbers are summed up, we are getting 32, which finally gives 5. When we are all the numbers of 32, digits of 32 are added together. So this 8 and 5 is our prime and life number of the native, whose date of birth is 17/9/1950. 8 and 5. When we come across any word which consists of letters, and each letter has their own numerical value, then what happens? Now, when this word is converted into number, we get a number in single digit. When we are getting more than a number, when summed up, we are getting more than 1, 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, maybe. So then we add together all the numbers, and in order to convert it into single digit. So here also 17, 1950, 1709, 1950 added together, we are getting 32, which is again the resultant effect of 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now, if a word has come in front of us, the numerical values of letters are replaced. Those letters are replaced with the respective numerical values, and the final sum is which are getting, they are summed up, and it is converted into single digit. Just an example we are taking. I've taken Varun as name. So its latest numerical values have been replaced, totals done, and finally it is converted into single digit, which comes to 2. In this way, numerology works, and we get it, we convert it. The number which we miss it in our birth date. So this is a grid, permanent grid. 4 will be placed at the place. Each number will be, which is displayed here, will be placed at the same place. So make out 3 to is to 3 diagonal square, and place out of your birth date each number at the same place where it is, its permanent place is. Then we are getting some of the numbers are missing. Even after placing the numbers in original, thereafter the sum total which we have arrived, it is also converted into single digit. This is also placed there. Then we are analyzing how many numbers have increased, how many numbers are more than one, appeared one more than once, and more than twice, more than thrice, etc. And in how many cases there is box is empty. So wherever box is empty, that relevant energy will be missing. This area will be creating problem for us. And whenever there is number is again increasing, again that is imbalanced. Non-availability of the numbers or availability in excess A numbers, all these imbalance the numbers available with us, and this creates problem in our life. So each number is denotes its direction. So from number missing, we can say there is a vastu dosa in that direction. When some number is increasing, that dosa is not there, but because of high numbers, this is imbalance also. So each number denotes some aspect of life: 4 wealth, 9 fame, 2 marriage, 3 health and family, 5 work and energy, 7 children, 8 knowledge, 1 career, and 6 friends. In this way, this analysis is done. The number missing, that area will be missing it out. And each number represents some element. So whenever there's some number is missing, that element is used as remedial measures, so that we can get correct data, correct analysis of the birth chart. And this year is given to you to know the other aspect of the life through numbers. Today's date is 25 May 2025. When we add together 25, we are getting 7. So 7, and when we add all the numbers, we are getting 3. So 7, 3 combinations are friendly combinations. And when we come across this unfriendly combination, then we use name, number, mobile number, etc. So let us see today's date from life number and the auspiciousness of today's date. So the life number of the day and the various prime numbers are analyzed. So those born on 1st 10, 19, 28th of any month, 1 is the prime number, sun is the ruler, day is likely to be very good, excellent, 3.5 star it is giving, and 80 to 90% success rate is there. Native may acquire good knowledge today. Those born on 2nd, 11th, 20th, 29th of any month, 2 is the prime number, moon is the ruler, coordination between 2 and 7 is good. Both are friendly, 2.5 star it is giving, 40% success rate is there, and if the native is involved in engaged in occult, success rate may go up. Those born on 3rd, 12th, 21, or 30th of any month, 3 is the prime number, Jupiter is the ruler, day is likely to be very good, 3.5 star it is giving, 80 to 100% success rate is there. It is again good for occult, healer, and teacher. So if the native is involved in the day, success rate may go up. Those born on 4th, 13th, 22nd, 31st of any month, 4 is the prime number, Rahu Dev is the ruler. The day may be normal because 4 and 3 combinations are neutral combinations. 2.5 star it is giving, 80% success rate is there. Very good for sales, marketing, and occult. So this 4 and 7 combination is very good for sales, occult, and credit. 6 is the prime number. For those people who are born on 6, 15, 24th of any month, Venus is the ruler. So 6 and 3 relationship are highly inimical relations. So 6, 3 maybe bring dissatisfaction, argument, disturbance in married life. 8, 7, 26 of any month, those born, 8 is the prime number, Saturn is the ruler. Day is likely to be very good because 8 and 7 relationship are good. 2.5 star it is giving. 100% success rate is expected. $60 to 70% success rate is expected. And if the native is involved in law, education, and printing, success rate may go up. The last number is 9 number. Those born on 9th, 18th, and 17th, 27th, their prime number will be 9. So Mars is the ruler. Mars denotes fire, energy, etc. And high level of energy, aggression. So in education, this type of energy is not required, and that's why native, if involved in occult, healer, and teacher, he may improve his success rate, and the success rate may go up from 30%. So with this presentation coming to an end, hope you have enjoyed it, and request you to share this knowledge to your friends, colleagues, and relatives. The data came here from YouTube. So those watching for the first time, please subscribe the channel. Also press the notification button so that you can get the notification of our presentation. And those who are our constant viewers, please share your feedback with us so that it can increase the knowledge of, share the knowledge this with your relatives, colleagues, and friends, well wishers, so that this can increase their auspiciousness, they can acquire the knowledge and the mission to take the numerology to each house, each person can be made successful because by virtue of your efforts. So thanking you, wishing all the best. Have a good Sunday. Enjoy it. Wishing all the best with regards. Bye bye. Take care.